Hello, my name is Scott Grizzard. I'm an instructor in the math department at the University of South Florida. Today we're going to be talking about a quick and dirty document camera just using a regular webcam and a piece of software, free software called VLC. The main audience for this is students. The idea being that you need to work with your groups on a peer leading packet, or you need to show your instructor some piece of mathematics, and you don't want to shell out $100 for a dedicated document camera, which they do sell. But so what you're going to do is you're going to use an external external webcam and a mount that you can purchase at Walmart or online on Amazon, and those things together you'll be able to set everything up. So the end result should look something like this. There it is, where I've got a document camera that's just, it doesn't have any features. It's lit, and you can see when I write. So, quick and dirty computer camera. We're no longer using OBS. We're using VLC. And again, those types of things. So, to get started, we need to get a mount. So, and this video is sponsored by United Faculty of Florida, which is the faculty union at USF. And their website is at rusf.org. I'm sorry, uff.rusf.org. So the first thing we need is some kind of stand. So there are a couple different options, but you need to purchase it. You can purchase it on Amazon or on Walmart. It's a stand. It's got like a mount for a cell phone. You can buy them with different options depending on your webcam. Now, if you've got a webcam that you just like are supposed to use on the top of your computer, and it doesn't have like a screw-in mount, this works perfectly fine. Duct tape will be involved, or something like that. And then it's got an LED light. Now, this is important. The light is important because you want to be able to look at what you're writing and be able to see it. So it's not just completely dark and out of focus. It's well lit and somewhat out of focus. But it'll have better focus and things like that if you've got a light. So you're going to set that up. The other thing you're going to need is, of course, your document camera. Now, when you set it up, you're going to set it up here on like your desk. And what you're going to do is you're going to plug it into USB power, and the light will light up. It's a nice little thing. So they run various prices. You can, spend as little as $20. You can spend $40. I think I saw one on there. I just did a quick search on Amazon for a clip phone stand with light. Not these. You don't want these because these are tripod stands. You want one that kind of just clips to your desk. These two are excellent options. This is another excellent option. There are more expensive ones if you want to spend more money. And the more expensive ones tend to be a little bit more sturdy, but that's okay. And then once you set up everything, you're going to need a piece of software called VLC. And VLC is free, it's open source, and it does videos, and it will play just about any video ever heard of. So you probably already have it. You may already have it. If you don't, just head over to videoland.org, download VLC. It supports Windows, Mac, Linux. It'll run on a cell phone. It'll run on iOS, on your iPad. It runs on a lot of stuff. Okay, so once you've downloaded VLC, let's go ahead and open that sucker up. And what we're going to see here in VLC is I've got several options here. But what we're going to do, normally when you open VLC, you're like, oh, I'm going to play a movie in it. But VLC is actually more powerful than that. It can open other video sources, like your webcam. And then the advantage of this is when I share this, I'm no longer going to be sharing it's no longer to show up as a webcam. It's going to show up as an application window. And I can do things to the video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go to video. Sorry, I'm going to go to media, and I'm going to go to open capture device. Okay. Now, I'm going to leave direct show. That's perfectly fine. My video device name. I'm going to go ahead and click it. And I'm going to go to my webcam. In this case, my old Logitech HD webcam. And I'm going to click there. And I'm going to just click play. And my webcam shows up. Right? Now, as you can see, I've got a little bit of a problem. My webcam is designed to shoot like this. Correct? Whereas what I want is a document camera. So what I want is to shoot the other direction, right? I want to shoot this way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use VLC to rotate the video. So I come up here to Tools, and I go to Effects and Filters, which didn't show up for you because it went up on the other screen. And then I go to Video Effects. And then I come over here to Geometry. And I can change the rotation. I can actually change, if I wanted to rotate it perfectly, I could actually change it very thing. But, you know, we'll do transform here. And we will rotate by, in my case, 270 degrees will do it. I can also zoom if I want to, and all of these other things. So I go ahead and click close. And now I can share this window, you know, as an application on Microsoft Teams, or anything else that I want to share, Zoom or anything else. And then if I want to get rid of this, I come up here to View and I just do Minimal Interface. And that will get rid of everything that's on the bottom and on the top here. So now when I share this window, it's just going to share that stuff there. In order to exit Minimal Interface, you just hit the Escape key. Okay? So that's it. It's a quick, dirty document camera. All I want to do is I want to I want to be able to write equations and do anything like that and share it with the whole team. So everyone can see my beautiful equations on the document camera. And I can communicate with my team members in mathematics or whatever else you need. You can't really type very well. And that's it. Thank you for watching.